Hello viewers, welcome to the taskallwebsolution channel. If you are watching this video first time, then we will request you, please subscribe us and share our videos. So today's topic is how to prepare your Shopify store for Black Friday Cyber Monday. Black Friday Cyber Monday is a tremendous opportunity for your e-commerce business to make money. If you want to get in on this year's biggest shipping weekend, now is the time to start planning. Okay, so we recommend checklist for getting your store ready for Black Friday Cyber Monday. So let's dive in. One, prepare for customers who have already started researching your holiday sales as early as you can. Let your customers and visitors know about your upcoming sales well in advance. 2. Create an irresistible offer. Once customers come for the shopping, there's a chance they will pick up a few other items on their way to this checkout. Occasionally, this product serves as a loss leader, with the difference being made of the customers adding more to their cart than they would have without the flashy products deep discount. 3. Organize your upcoming sales. Look at all of your products and plan your deals and discounts ahead of time instead of putting on a sale last minute. Review your margins and inventory to find suitable discounts. You can now create automatic discounts that will apply on a user's eligible cart. You have already made this video for you. If you want to check this video, click the above link. 4. Create banners and hero images to advertise holiday sales. What better way to promote your holiday sales than with gorgeous graphics and visuals? Whether you are planning to use banners ads to promote your holiday sales or changing the headers, hero images on your homepage for Black Friday Cyber Monday, you don't need to be a graphics designer to get this done. You could use design tool like Canva. 5. Plan ad and ad copy. It's always a good idea to plan the ad and ad copy you are about to run for a sale or promotion ahead of time, so you can put more thought into copy and ad placement. Just remember that bids can get more expensive during the competitive holiday season. Depending on your niche, you may need to increase your bid price on specific keywords or for certain audience to increase the visibility of your ads during big holiday sales. If you plan to do paid advertising, it's a good idea to prepare your holiday sales ad budget as well. 6. Think mobile first. Last year, Shopify store saw more mobile purchases than desktop purchases across all of Black Friday Cyber Monday for the second year in a row. We should accept this trend to continue. What this means for you as a store owner is that thinking mobile first is essential. First, what's your store user experience like on mobile? Second, is it easy and to make purchase on your store? Third, is your website mobile responsive? All of Shopify's themes are responsive and mobile friendly, but if you are not using Shopify, test how your store looks like on a mobile device. 7. Retarget past visitors and customers. If you are already set up a Facebook pixel on your store, now's the time to use it. When you retarget past visitors, you will reach people who may have forgotten about your store and would not have checked out your sales otherwise. You can also retarget customers that have previously purchased from your store. 8. Start your email marketing campaign. During last year's Black Friday Cyber Monday, Shopify merchants saw their highest conversion rates from email marketing. 9. Integrate live chat. You should be easy to reach by customers during Black Friday Cyber Monday. These last things you want to lose a sale because our potential customers could not get an answer quickly enough. Follow these tips for prepare your store for Black Friday Cyber Monday, then you will get the visual results. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe and share. If you have any questions and doubt, please comment us below. We will be back with new video in few days. Thank you so much.